Hello students, today we are with the skill interview. This is a paper 1 skill. It is a major discourse. It is for 10 marks. Now I am here to tell you the pattern to be followed to write an interview. Firstly, give a brief introduction of the person mentioning their great achievement or what they have achieved greatly in their life such that we have called them for the interview. Next, as you go into the interview, greet the person. Next, this is a questionnaire I would suggest in order to make an effective interview. What made you choose this field? How were your childhood days? Who is your inspiration? What are the difficulties you faced while reaching your goal? What are your future plans? In order to make the interview lively, use appropriate linkers such as, of course, well, however, meanwhile, and so on. Never ask questions on personal life. The interview is taken for the success in professional life, hence the questions need to be with regard to professional life. Interview of Nick. I have chosen the interview of Nick. Here firstly I give an introduction. Nick is a motivational speaker. Despite being a torso, he is an inspiration to everyone. You can also write, he is a winner of the Young Australian Young Citizen Award. You can also say he is the one who got himself on the cover page of the Surfer magazine for doing a 360 degree on the surfer board. Anything, whatever is his greatest achievement, you can write as an introduction. Then firstly, interviewer greets him. Good morning, sir. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Nick. Good morning. I too am glad to be here. Interviewer. What made you become a motivational speaker? Nick. Actually, I was very timid in my childhood. I even attempted suicide when I was 10 years old. But I read an article of a disabled person that gave me the strength to achieve something. Hence, I decided to give the courage which the article gave me to many people. Then interviewer asks, how were your childhood days? It was very tough because my parents joined me in mainstream school, but it gave me the courage to face the real world. Interviewer. We heard you are a champion in surfing. How did you get trained? Nick. Surfing was of great interest to me. I learned from Bethany Hamilton how to surf. She is the one who suggested me to do the 360 degree on the surfboard since I had low center of gravity. Interviewer. Apart from surfing, what games do you play? Nick. I play football, golf, skating, and I even swim. Interviewer. Have you ever felt bad of not being able to do what others do? This defines the challenges that he faced. No, never at all. My father taught me to type when I was 6. My mother invented gadgets to help me to write. I use my toes to pick up things, so I never felt deprived. Interviewer. What is your message to the audience? If I fail, I try again and again. I believe that challenges in our life are there to strengthen our convictions. Hence, it is very important to believe in ourselves. Thus, I conclude with the interview, and you can add even more a few questions, but see to it that it brings it from the information from the professional life of the person and inspires others towards success. Thank you, and for further updates, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.